pada chapter 4 kalau ikut syllabus chapter 4 lah. Kalau ikut buku ni chapter 6, okay, Introduction to the Consumer Credit. Alright. Okay, so the learning objective on this chapter, okay, the first one is to define the consumer credit and analyze its advantages and disadvantages. And then yang kedua, untuk differentiate among various types of credit. Yang ketiga, assess your credit capacity and build your credit rating. Keempat, describe the information creditors look for when you apply for credit. And then yang kelima, identify the step you can take to avoid and correct credit mistakes. And then the last one will describe the law that protect you if you have a complaint about the consumer credit. Okay. So we look the first one, okay, we define what is the consumer credit, and then we also look for the advantages and disadvantages of the consumer credit, okay. So what is a consumer credit? Okay, it's a credit. Credit ni kita kata is arrangement lah. Arrangement we receive cash ataupun goods ataupun services sekarang, and then we'll pay later. We pay for them in the future. That what we define as a what is the credit is about lah. Okay, we receive the cash, goods or services now, but we pay it later. We pay in the future. Okay. That's a credit. Okay, kita kata hutang lah. Okay, debt. Okay. Consumer credit ialah use of credit, okay, for personal needs. Okay, by the individuals and families. Okay, kat situ kita katakan except a home mortgage. A home mortgage is not a consumer credit. Okay, a home mortgage selalunya is a, kita kata is more to the we apply for loan lah. Because the amount is bigger. Okay, macam consumer credit ni is for the amount like a basic needs. Okay, the personal needs tadi tu. Okay, use of credit for personal needs lah. Okay, the importance of consumer credit in our economy. Okay, so we look back. Okay, the consumer credit dates back to colonial times. Okay, where farmer use credit extensively. Okay, so macam zaman dulu-dulu, okay, berkata consumer credit, okay, zaman dululah, okay, digunakan, okay, consumer credit digunakan oleh petani-petani lah secara extensively, okay. And then advancement of automobiles in early 1900, okay, installment credit was introduced, okay. And then economists recognize consumer credit is a major force in the American economy. And then baby boomer generation represent 20% of the population, but 60% of outstanding debt. Okay, and then generation X views credit like a lifeline. Okay, kata macam apa, lifeline lah untuk dianggap kredit ni tadi sebagai penyambung hayat dia. Okay, for the generation X lah. Okay, so sekarang when we look like that, okay, we know that how the importance of the consumer credit, okay, in our economy. And then kalau kita tengok sekarang pun, okay, okay, the impact of the consumer credit ni, okay, menyebabkan ramainya golongan-golongan muda ni, okay, dah diisytihar sebagai bankruptcy. Okay, kita tengok banyak, okay, berlakunya lah, okay, diisytihar, okay, sebagai bankrupt, okay, tapi ianya datang daripada golongan-golongan muda ni tadi. Alright. Okay, so we look at the uses and misuses of credit. Okay, so dekat sini before kita nak use, okay, ataupun we use the credit, okay, for a major purchase, okay, so we have to look lah, okay, tengok kepada question yang we have to ask ourselves lah, okay, dekat di mana kita tengok, okay, do I have the cash for the down payment? Okay, so selalunya this question tadi from the individuals, okay, to assess, okay, whether they have enough money, okay, available to make a down payment on the purchase. Okay, dan selalunya is emphasize the importance of having sufficient cash reserve lah to cover a portion of the cost upfront, okay, which can help reduce the amount borrowed and potentially lower monthly payments ataupun interest cost. Okay, selalunya macam kalau kita kata kita nak beli kereta, Okay, kita kena tahulah, okay, apa the down payment. Okay, the down payment tu, do we have a cash for the down payment? Down payment kita tak ada gunakan apa ni, apa, kredit. Okay, down payment ni kita menggunakan cash kita. Kita ada tak down payment untuk kita nak bayar upfront lah, cost upfront of the car tu tadi. Okay, di mana bila kita buat down payment tadi, we will reduce lah, okay, the amount yang we borrow, and then also the bila amount yang kita borrow tu will be reduced, okay, the monthly repayment atau the monthly payments tadi tu will be lower also, including the interest cost juga. Okay, sebab bila kita punya amount of pinjaman tadi sikit, okay, menyebabkan tadi monthly payment kita will be lower, also kita punya interest cost. Okay, and then we have to ask, do I want to use my savings for this purchase? Okay, so here the person is asked to consider whether they are willing to deplete their saving, okay, or emergency fund to finance the purchase. Kita kena tanyalah, okay, ni kita tadi tu. Okay, adakah kita perlu keluarkan duit simpanan kita ataupun dana kecemasan kita in order kita nak finance the purchase tadi. Okay, so it encourage them to weigh the necessity of the purchase against the importance of maintaining financial security and having fund available for unexpected expenses tadi. Okay, so yang ketiga, does the purchase fit my budget? Okay, so this question selalunya akan memaksa, okay, the individual tadi to evaluate lah whether the cost of the purchase tadi aligns dengan kita punya current financial situation and also our budget. Okay, so dekat sini juga emphasize the importance of kita punya making decision lah, okay, they are financially sustainable and ensuring that the purchase won't strain kita punya finances ataupun it will not lead to the overspending. Okay, and then tengok pula, could I use the credit I need in some better way? Okay, so dekat sini, okay, di mana kita tengoklah that person need to explore lah alternative uses for the credit they would be utilised for the purchase. It prompts kepada individual tadi to consider whether there are more financially beneficial way to deploy the credit. Okay, contohnya investing in opportunity that offer higher returns or paying off existing debt with higher interest rate. Okay, and then the next question, can I postpone this purchase? Okay, so di sini, okay, the individual is prompted to consider whether the purchase is urgent or if it can be delayed. Adakah pembelian tadi tu sesuatu yang perlu disegerakan ataupun kita boleh lewatkan. Okay, so di sini kita encourage lah, okay, to assess whether there are alternative solution or if waiting for a more opportunity time might be a better course of action. So that, okay, the individual tadi can have a better prepare financially ataupun can explore other option lah, okay, in order when they postpone for the purchase tadi. And then next, what are the opportunity costs of postponing this purchase? Okay, so kita tanya pula, okay, the individual have to consider the potential benefit, okay, they might miss out on by delaying the purchase. Okay, it prompts them to weigh the advantages of making the purchase now against the drawbacks of waiting. Okay, mungkin, okay, ada berlakunya perubahan dalam harga. Okay, mungkin apa dari segi availability of the product yang kita nak beli tadi tu, ataupun potential improvement in their quality of life. So this is apa opportunity cost bila kita postpone kita punya pembelian tadi. Okay. And then what are the dollar and psychological cost of using credit for this purchase? Okay, so we have to evaluate lah both financial and emotional implication of financing the purchase through the credit. okay, encourage, okay, the individual to consider not only the monetary cost, okay, such as interest payment, fees, okay, tapi dari segi psikologi lah, impact of taking on debt and apa tekanan yang kita hadapi lah, okay, particularly, okay, if their financial circumstances change unexpectedly, okay. So sebelum kita decide untuk use credit, okay, we have to ask ourselves lah, okay, all these questions tadi tu, okay. So now we go to the advantages of credit, okay. Advantages of credit tadi, okay. Okay. So the first one, the advantages dia adalah immediate access to good and services. Okay. Yang ini merupakan a primary advantages of credit. Okay. Di mana ability, okay, kita acquire good or services without having to pay for them upfront. Okay. Itu dia punya kebaikan bila kita kata credit ni tadi lah. Okay. By using credit, okay, individuals can make purchase immediately. Okay, and then pay for them later. Okay, which can be particularly useful for urgent needs or unexpected expenses. Alright. And then yang kedua, dia punya kebaikan dia adalah okay, permits purchase even when funds are low. Okay. Di mana tadi kredit tadi provide individuals with the flexibility to make purchase even, okay, dia current fund tadi, okay, walaupun pada waktu itu wang dia tidak mencukupi. Okay, so allow them to spread out payments over time, enable them to acquire essential item ataupun take advantage of opportunity without needing a large sum of money upfront. Okay, and then a cushion for financial emergency. Okay, so this credit tadi can serve as a safety net during financial emergency ataupun sesuatu event yang tidak dijangkakan. Okay, kejadian tak dijangkakan. So di sini provide individual with access to fund that, okay, the individual tadi can use to cover urgent expenses, di mana bila berlakunya saving ataupun dia punya cash flow tadi not sufficient, tidak mencukupi. Okay, so this can help mitigate the impact of unforeseen circumstances on their financial stability. And then tengok yang keempat advantages dia adalah advance notice of sales. Okay, di mana tadi credit card issuers, okay, ataupun whoever the financial institution ke agency yang provide the credit card tadi, provide the card holder, okay, with advance notice. Okay, sekiranya ada jualan ke, jualan murah ke, promotion ke, ataupun special offer available to the card holder. Okay. So dekat sini, okay, give individuals the opportunity to take advantage of discounted price ataupun exclusive deals, di mana will enhance ataupun increase, okay, the card holder purchasing power. And then allowing the card holder tadi to save money, okay, on their purchase. Tu kita advance notice of sales ni, okay. Bila kita kata kalau kita ada credit card, okay, so daripada the card holder, okay, the card issuers tadi, okay, maybe give you advance notice lah sekiranya ada berlaku promosi, ada berlaku jualan ke, sales ke, ataupun special offer, okay, yang boleh diberikan kepada card holder. Okay. Ini yang kelima, easier to return merchandise. Okay. Advantage ni ialah bila kita use credit for purchase, okay, can make the process of returning merchandise tadi more convenient. Okay, bila berlakunya defect ke atas kita punya barang yang kita beli ke, ataupun ada berlaku kerosakan ke, okay. So bila kita beli secara kredit ni tadi akan memudahkanlah proses kita nak pulangkan balik merchandise yang kita beli tadi tu lah. Okay. So many retailers tadi have streamlined return policy for credit transaction. Okay, di mana membenarkan tadi customer tadi to receive sama ada dia boleh dapat balik pulangan duit ataupun dia boleh buat penukaran, okay, more quickly and with fewer restriction compared to the cash purchase. Tu salah satu kebaikan dia lah, di mana memudahkan untuk kita pulangkan balik barang yang kita beli tadi. Sekiranya berlaku sesuatu atas barang yang kita belilah, defect ke, rosak ke, okay, kadang salah size ke, kalau beli kasut ke, baju ke, okay. So kadang-kadang banyak kedai-kedai ataupun retailers tadi, okay, dia ada provide return policy, especially for credit transaction yang mana menggunakan credit card ke, okay. So dia di mana the return policy tadi membenarkan dia punya customer tadi, okay, do the exchange, okay, ataupun dapat balik duit lah, refund tadi, okay. And then yang keenam, okay, convenient, okay, when shopping, okay, convenient when shopping, alright, okay. Di sini tadi credit offers convenience and flexibility when shopping. Okay, as an individual tadi don't need to carry large amount of cash lah ataupun worry about exact change. Kita nak apa, kadang ada sen-sen ke apa, okay, kita nak pulangkan, kita bawa duit shilling ke ataupun kita tak payah bawa duit cash money banyak, okay. So bila kata convenient when shopping ni tadi memudahkanlah bila kita pergi membuat pembelian, kita pergi shopping tadi tanpa membawa cash yang banyak. Okay. So kita bolehlah buat purchases secara segeralah, quickly and easily using the credit card. Okay, whether in store ataupun online ke ataupun over the phone ke ataupun making the shopping experience more efficient and hassle free. Okay. And then tengok another advantages of credit tadi is a one monthly payment. Okay, one monthly payment bermaksud the credit consolidate multiple purchase into a single monthly payment. Okay, which can simplify financial management and budgeting for individuals instead of kita nak keeping tracks of various transactions and due dates. They only need to focus on making one payment. Make it easier to stay organized and avoid missed payments. Maknanya bila kita guna credit card, okay, katakan kita buat pembelian pada satu hari tu ada 6 pembelian kita buat, okay, in the different mall lah katakan. Tapi bila kita guna credit card buat pembelian tadi, so kita akan terima one statement lah, one statement yang ada semua perincian tentang pembelian tu tadi. Okay, and then they put into a single monthly payment. Then the next one, safer than cash. Okay, so credit transaction are often considered safer than carrying large amounts of cash tadi. Okay, so with credit card tadi, individuals are protected from loss or theft, as they can quickly report unauthorized charges and have them reversed. Okay, so additionally tadi, many credit card issuer offer fraud protection and zero liability policy, okay, providing added security for the card holder. So ianya lebih kurang kata lebih selamat daripada kita bawa cash. Okay, kalau katakan kalau katakan kita kalau kita bawa duit tiba-tiba orang curi duit kita, so kalau dengan kalau katakan just bawa credit card saja, kalau katakan kita punya dompet kena curi, okay, so kita boleh je ni lah call the issuer card tadi untuk block kita punya card tadi, okay. Macam saya cakap tadi sebelum ni, many card issuer tadi, credit card issuer, dia akan offer fraud protection lah and zero liability policy. Okay, di mana nanti you boleh je apa orang kata dilindungi lah. Dia ada fraud protection lah. Okay. And then next one, advantages are needed for hotel reservation, car rentals and shopping by phone. Okay. So certain transaction, okay. Contohnya kalau kita nak buat hotel reservation, kita nak sewa kereta, okay. Ataupun kita buat pembelian melalui phone ataupun online. Selalunya mereka menggunakan ataupun penjual tadi, okay, will require a credit card. Selalunya dia akan minta credit card lah. Okay. Using credit in this instant provide convenient and flexibility. Di mana ianya membenarkan individuals tadi to secure reservation ataupun make purchase tadi without needing to present physical cash ataupun check. Check lah. Okay. And then the next one advantages tadi, can take advantage of float time and grace period. Okay, kat sini, the credit card holder tadi can benefit from float time. Di mana bila kata float time ni tadi adalah merupakan period, between making a purchase and then bila you nak bayar balik hutang you tadi tu. Okay, so dekat sini during this time tadi, individual can use the fund they would have spent on the purchase for other purpose. Okay, so potentially kita will earn interest ataupun investment return. So additionally, many credit card tadi offer a grace period during which no interest is charged on your purchase if the balance is paid in full by the due date. Okay, maknanya tadi bila kata can take advantage of float time and grace period. Okay, ianya adalah period, between when you making a purchase and when the payment is due. Okay, so bila katakan during that float time and grace period tadi tu, di mana ianya tidak dikenakan sebarang interest lah. Okay, during that time sehingga apa orang cakap bila katakan that period tadi tu, there interest is charged, on the new purchase. If balance dalam you punya balance on your credit card tadi tu you dah pay in full by the due date. Maknanya tadi katakan you punya tu ada 500 baki. So 500 tadi tu, if you pay full, by the due date, when you buy a new purchase, there is no interest will charge lah. Itu maksud kita kata grace period or the float time tadi tu. Float time tu ialah yang kita kata period between when you buy and then when you want to make a payment. Ni lah when the payment is due. Tu that kita kata the card holder will benefit lah from this float time and also from the grace period. Next tengok pada rebate extended manufacturer's warranty ataupun emergency medical evacuation for travellers and extra lah. Dekat sini tadi credit card tadi overcome with various perks and benefits. That can enhance the value of purchases. Kadang-kadang kita masukkan tadi, mungkin ada cashback ataupun rebate, di mana provide the card holder tadi, with a percentage of their purchase back as a reward. Macam katakan tadi kalau katakan you guna Shopee, kan dia ada cashback kan. Ini katakan you beli barang gunakan credit card. So inilah dia adalah bila kita buat pembelian, dia ada yang cashback tadi, ada program ataupun rebate program. Dan tambahan lagi, some credit card tadi offer extended warranties on eligible purchases. As well as kalau katakan travel related benefit, contohnya dalam credit card tadi dia ada emergency medical evacuation coverage, ada juga travel insurance. So kita kata that is what we call rebate or extended manufacturer warranties lah kepada ni lah travelers lah, okay, ataupun the card holder tadi. Next one, the last one, okay, ialah kata indicates financial stability. Okay, di mana kat sini responsible use of credit card reflect positively on an individual's financial stability and creditworthiness. Okay, by managing credit accounts effectively, making timely payment, maintaining a healthy credit history, okay, individual tadi can demonstrate their ability to handle financial obligation responsibility which can be beneficial bila dia nak apply untuk pinjaman ke, nak buat pinjaman rumah ke, pinjaman kereta ke, ataupun any other form of credit in the future. Okay, bila you buat pembayaran on your credit card tadi lah, on time, you tak pernah skip, tak pernah lewat, maknanya you create a good credit history, then it will be benefit lah to the card holder tadi lah, bila dia nak apply loan ke, nak apply mortgage loan ke, housing loan ke, so dia punya credit history dia bagus, so memudahkan lah, dia memperolehi pinjaman-pinjaman yang lain. Okay. So next, iaitu adalah advantages of credit. Now we go to the disadvantages of credit. Okay. 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 The first one, temptation to overspend. Ini memang selalulah. Okay. Ini adalah salah satu keburukan bila kita membuat pembelian secara kredit lah ataupun menggunakan kredit ni tadi. Okay. Di mana tadi bila dia kata temptation to overspend, dengan orang kata availability of credit card ataupun loans tadi, individual may be inclined to make purchase beyond their means, leading to the accumulation of debt, that can become difficult to manage. Maknanya bila you ada credit card, you berbelanja lebih daripada apa yang you mampu. You berbelanja lebih lah. Menyebabkan tadi accumulate of debt. Bila dah banyak sangat, you overspend and then maknanya you punya hutang tu bergada-gada. So it will make you difficult lah to manage you punya debt tadi. Yang kedua, keburukan dia adalah failure to repay loan may result in loss of income, valuable property and your good reputation. Dekat sini, if individuals tadi fail to repay their credit obligation, contohnya bayar credit card, baki credit card ataupun loan payments, so they will have a risiko yang dia kena tanggung lah, di mana tadi risiko-risiko tadi adalah termasuklah kehilangan pendapatan, ataupun mungkin whatever yang bila kita buat pinjaman kan kita ada buat cagaran, mungkin kita akan kehilangan barang yang kita cagarkan, and then damage to our reputation as a borrower, which can affect kita punya ability to secure future credit ataupun financial opportunities, menyebabkan sukar je kita nak memperolehi loan ataupun credit in the future lah bila you punya reputasi you tadi dah jadi buruk. Bila you gagal untuk bayar you punya pinjaman ke you punya credit card ke. And then yang ketiga, keburukan dia adalah misuse can create long-term financial problems, damage to relationship and slowing progress toward financial goals. So sini all those tadi itu misusing credit, di mana misusing credit mungkin you punya baki hutang you semakin banyak. Okay. And then you lewat buat pembayaran. Ataupun mungkin default on loan. You gagal untuk bayar you punya loan. Okay. Di sini akan menjadi impact lah kepada you punya financial well-being. Dan ianya akan lead to the long-term debt problems. Okay. Strain relationship due to the financial stress. Okay. So dia akan menyebabkanlah daripada segi tekanan. Okay. And then will make slowing you punya progress toward you punya financial goals. Okay. Contohnya kalau katakan financial goals you tadi, you nak nak buat, nak ada pinjaman untuk retire, okay, ataupun you punya goals untuk purchase a home. Okay, so bila berlakunya tadi, okay, misusing of the credit tadi, so will menyebabkan tadi memperlahankan okay, untuk pencapaian goals you tadi. Okay. Yang keempat, it does not increase total purchasing power. Kat sini, while credit provide individuals with the ability to make purchases before having the necessary fund, it does not actually increase their total purchasing power. Instead, okay, it allows them to borrow against future income or saving, okay, which means they must ultimately repay the borrow amount tadi along with any associate interest ataupun fees. Okay, so dekat sini tadi bila keburukan yang kredit card ni tadi, keburukan kredit ni tadi, okay, ianya tidaklah kuasa membeli tadi dia tak ada pun increasekan you punya kuasa membeli. Tak ada. Okay. Tapi sebaliknya bila you you menggunakan kredit tadi, okay, ianya akan membolehkan you, okay, membeli pembelian, okay, membuat pembelian yang orang kata without buy the necessary membuat pembelian tadi sebelum, okay, you ada dana yang mencukupi. Okay. So dia akan menyebabkan tadi ibarat you meminjam dulu, okay, sebelum whatever you punya future income or saving. Maknanya you akan ada kemungkinan you akan menggunakan lebih dari apa yang you mampu. Okay. And then the last one, credit cost money. Okay. Di mana bila kita utilize the credit tadi, typically it will incur cost lah. Okay, dari segi interest charge, dari segi fees and other expenses cost. Okay. So ianya akan menyebabkan tadi this cost yang terlibat akan menyebabkan the credit tadi more expensive. Okay. Then paying with cash ataupun saving up for the purchases tadi. Okay. Alright. Itu adalah advantages dan disadvantages of credit. Now we look at the types of credit. Okay, jenis-jenis credit. Okay, so the first one is the close-end credit. Okay, close-end credit ni, okay, merupakan one-time loans that the borrower pays back in a specified period of time and in payments of equal amount. Okay, ianya merupakan one-time loan lah, di mana peminjam tadi perlu bayar balik mengikut masa yang ditentukan, tempoh ditentukan, dan the amount tadi is equal amount. Pembayaran atas amount yang sama saja setiap bulan. Okay. And then installment cash credit, okay, is a direct loan of money for personal purpose. Installment cash credit tadi. Okay. Maknanya dalam close and credit kita ada one time loan, and then kita ada installment cash credit, dan kita ada single lump sum credit. Okay. 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 Alright. Yang tadi adalah close end credit. Okay. So close end credit selalunya dia melibatkan pinjaman lah, loan lah. Katakan macam mortgage loan, housing loan, car loan. Okay. Di mana dia ada tempoh dia. Okay. Katakanlah kereta 9 tahun. Okay. And then setiap bulan you bayar sama saja. Okay. Katakanlah 600 you punya bayaran bulanan. So 600 untuk tempoh 9 tahun. Okay. Installment cash credit pula tadi adalah direct loan of money for personal purpose. Okay. Selalunya installment ni macam ibarat kita buat macam down payment lah. Installment of the cash tadi tu. Okay. And then single lump sum credit pula adalah loan that must be repaid in total on a specified day. Okay. Sama ada 30 ke 90 hari. Okay. Next pergi pada open end credit. Okay. So nampak dalam kotak tadi, close end credit kita ada mortgage loan, automobile loan, installment loan. Okay. Itu adalah close end credit. Dia ada tempoh dan ada tadi payment in equal amount. Okay. Lagi satu credit ni tadi, types of credit ialah open end credit. Okay. So dekat situ kita tengok card issued by department store, bank card, contohnya Visa, Mastercard, travel and entertainment card, okay, contohnya Diners Club, American Express, and then kita ada overdraft protection, okay. So tengok kepada sini open end credit ni, okay, kita ada line of credit, okay, line of credit merupakan dollar amount which may or may not be borrowed made available by the lender. Okay, dia kita ada lender provide lah, okay, amount, okay, yang mana boleh di dipinjam oleh peminjam tadi lah, okay. So what was the line of credit dia tadi lah, berapa amount dia tadi, okay. Interest merupakan refers to a periodic charge for the use of credit. Setiap pinjaman tadi, okay, dia akan charge you interest. Salah satu fees dia tadi, okay, salah satu cost dia tadi, you have to pay interest also on your debt or your loan tadi, okay, ataupun credit tadi lah, use of credit tadi. And then revolving check credit ialah pre-arranged loan from a bank for a specified amount, also called bank line of credit. Ada sama lah macam line of credit tadi. Okay, dia ada a certain amount that bank provided. Okay, that's the amount that you can borrow lah. Okay. Alright, now we go to the open end credit tadi. Okay. Salah satunya ialah credit card. Okay. So 7 out of 10 US household carry one or more credit card. Ni buku ni dia banyak apa orang kata example, dia banyak example US. Okay. Jadinya so banyaklah ada kebanyakannya ada term-term tadi ataupun akta-akta yang di US saja yang menggunakan lah. Kita nanti akta kita lain dah, nanti kita akan go through. Okay. So one of the open end credit tadi adalah credit card. Okay. So about half of all credit card users are convenience users and pay balance in full each month. Okay. Others are borrowers carrying a balance over and paying finance charges. Okay, and then cash advance accrue interest from the moment you accept the cash in addition to the transaction fee. Okay, dalam credit card tadi, okay, dia ada orang kata alternative using of the credit card iaitu cash advance. Cash advance tadi you bolehlah keluarkan ataupun gunakan cash advance from the credit card tadi dengan you pergi di mana-mana ATM, okay. And then you boleh guna you punya credit card untuk keluarkan cash advance. Okay. Tapi dia punya interest dia, fees yang dikenakan atas cash advance tu tadi will be higher lah. Okay. And then kita tengok sini co-branding, linking a credit card with a business trade name, offering points or rebates on products and services. Dalam credit card jadi ada juga orang kata co-branding. Okay, maknanya macam kalau katakan contoh dia menggunakan brand-brand lah, okay, untuk use the credit card tadi, dia ada link dengan credit card tadi lah. Okay. Okay. So satu tadi tu kita kata credit card. Okay. Now we go to the smart card and debit card. Smart card tadi, smart card pula have an embedded computer chips. Okay, di mana dalam smart card tadi combine credit card, a driver license, a healthcare ID with your medical history and insurance information, etc. Okay, smart card kalau kat Malaysia ni, smart card tu selalunya macam kita punya IC lah. IC tu tadi tu, okay, dalam IC kita, dia ada dia punya chips, computer chips tadi kan, yang warna kuning, emas tu, okay. Dalam tu ada the information all about ni lah, punya the information about ourselves lah, okay. And then dekat situ juga you boleh guna you punya IC tadi untuk orang kata touch and go, okay. So boleh juga you put the money untuk you guna je you punya ni untuk use it as a touch and go lah, to smart card. And then the next one is the debit card. Okay, debit card ni macam biasalah, semua orang, saya rasa semua orang ada debit card. Saya tak, kalau tak ada debit card tu saya tak tahulah. Saya rasa semua sekarang ni ada debit card. Okay, so debit card ni often called bank card, ATM card, cash card and check card. Kita panggil debit card tu kadang-kadang orang panggil bank card, ATM card, cash card, check card. Okay, so dekat sini debit card tadi electronically subtract from your account the moment you make a purchase. Dia tak ada delay in payment. Macam credit card tadi, okay, credit card dia ada delay in payment. Bila use credit card, okay, dia ada line of credit dalam card tadi tu, dalam credit card. Okay, so the credit card tadi tu, dia ada line of credit. Katakan line of credit you 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 tu lah yang you gunakanlah untuk buat pembelian. Tapi it's not that you have to pay masa tu, okay. Maknanya you buy the whatever you buy, the merchandise tadi, and then you will pay later. Bila statement sampai, baru you bayar. Okay, mengikut apa pembelian yang you buat lah dekat dalam statement you tadi nyatakan lah. Tu credit card. And then kalau you bayar on time, okay, and full, so there is no interest would charge lah. Okay, tapi sekiranya you bayar minimum saja. Okay, minimum mungkin minimum due dia katakan RM50. You bayar RM50 saja. Sedangkan you punya penggunaan tadi 500 pada bulan tersebut. Okay, RM50. So ada lagi RM450 baki tu. So RM450 tadi dibawa ke depan including dengan interest yang dikenakan atas baki tu tadi. Okay, tapi so you boleh gunakan you punya credit card tadi mengikut you punya line of credit lah. Kalau RM5,000, RM5,000 lah. Okay, tapi debit card tadi, okay, dia secara elektronik dia akan tolak daripada you punya account lah, especially daripada you punya current, you punya saving account. And then you have to make sure there is a availability fund dalam you punya account tadi, sebab dia memang akan directly ataupun automatically will subtract from your account. Okay, the moment you make a purchase. So kena make sure ada duit lah dalam you punya account tadi. Right? Okay. Next, open end credit card ni tadi, open end credit tadi adalah store value ataupun gift card. Okay, ianya merupakan prepaid card. Macam kalau katakan Starbucks pun ada kan, lagi apa lagi yang provide you a gift card. Bila you ni lah, apa lagi I tak tahulah, yang I tahu Starbucks ada bagi gift card. Okay. Ianya merupakan resemble a debit card and use magnetic stripe technology to store and track fund. Okay, sama juga macam dia lebih kurang macam e-wallet salah saya. Okay. So use in lieu of paper gift certificate. Kadang you akan dapat macam gift certificate. Okay, RM50 gift certificate. Itulah dia kata store value card. Macam kalau you beli barang dekat, katakan beli barang kat Billion. Okay, bila beli barang lebih daripada 200 dia akan bagi you ni lah gift certificate. Apa selain daripada itu dia panggil apa kalau yang dekat ni, kalau dia buat pembelian nanti dia bagi apa nama tu, macam kat Aeon dia bagi apa, dia sebut apa, anybody? Voucher
macam lebih kurang macam voucher lah.
Yes, macam voucher tu lah. Dan dia ada value, and then the next bila you buat pembelian yang lain, you guna je voucher tu tadi lah, and then will deduct. Okay, so use for business purpose lah. Okay, contohnya payroll, travel expenses, government benefit payments lah, and then retailer bankruptcy can make the card worthless. Okay, so yang ini salah satulah kita sebut sebagai open end credit, store value or gift card. Okay, selalunya kalau dekat overseas, okay, dia banyak bagi ibarat macam kalau tadi kita kata voucher yang di-provide oleh retailers, okay. Yang itu voucher selalunya banyak dekat Malaysia lah, voucher tu, okay. Tapi kalau dekat overseas dia ada juga a certain retailer tadi provide a credit card. Dia provide a credit card tadi, dan credit card dia tadi lebih kurang sama macam kita kalau kita kat sini kita bank yang provide the credit card kan, macam CIMB Visa card, Maybank Visa card, okay, Maybank Mastercard, whatever lah credit card dia. Okay, tapi kat sana retailer yang provide, macam katakanlah Boston Store, dia retailer lah. Okay, so you boleh apply credit card dia lah. Okay, apply credit card dia, and then dia ada dia punya sama juga credit line dia berapa, and then you boleh gunakan that credit card tadi in their store only lah, dekat dia punya kedai dia sahaja. Macam dekat sini saya rasa cuma Aeon je lah yang provide the card tadi tu, the credit card tadi tu untuk barang-barang you beli daripada Aeon. Okay, yang itu saya rasa kalau kat Malaysia lah. Kalau yang lain tu kat Malaysia ni selalunya bila dia provide you card tadi, kita sebut sebagai gift card lah, dia tak ada value, dia tak ada amount of money inside that card tadi. Selalunya dia macam kita collect point, buat pembelian dia bagi you point, and then bila dah ni you boleh redeem the point. Dia macam tu lah di Indonesia ni. Okay, the next travel and entertainment card. Okay, these card are not really credit card. Okay, and then kat sini monthly balance is due in full. Selalunya travel entertainment card ni selalu mostly kita sebut macam charge card. Okay, sebab charge card ni tadi selalunya bila kita guna, kita kena bayarlah whatever balance tadi full. Kita tak boleh bayar sikit-sikit. Macam credit card tadi, kita boleh bayar sikit-sikit. Tapi macam charge card ataupun kita sebut travel entertainment card ni tadi, selalunya bila kita dah guna, okay, dapat statement, kita kena bayar full. Okay. Contoh kat sini Diners Club, okay, ataupun Diners Club selalunya di bawah Amex lah, American Express punya ni lah. So dia akan ni lah yang penggunaan dia tadi. Okay, and then you have to pay full amount lah. Okay, annual fee allow you to replace lost passport, buy airline ticket, okay, find doctors, access airport lounge around the world, okay, provide some identified theft assistance and rental car discount. Ni kalau selalunya businessman lah punya ni lah, yang selalu ni lah menggunakan travel entertainment card tadi. Okay. And next kita pergi kepada smartphone and home equity loans. Okay, smartphone. Okay, smartphone ni most smartphone are able to make purchase. Okay, call mobile commerce. Okay, ni whatever kita ni lah, selalunya kalau kita guna phone kita pun kita boleh buat pembelian. Okay, melalui yang kita sebut sebagai mobile commerce. Okay, perniagaan secara mobile tadi tu. Okay, so mostly handphone awak semua boleh, kita boleh buat pembelian secara online. Okay. Next, home equity loans. Okay. Tadi home equity loan. Okay, home equity loan ni merupakan the difference between current market value of your home and the amount owned on the mortgage. Okay, dan selalunya kita bila kita katakan it will available for us to borrow up to 85% lah of the appraised value of the home, less amounts ni lah own tadi tu. And then interest on loan tadi merupakan tax deductible, okay, untuk this loan tadi. Okay. So dia ibarat macam kita kata pinjaman kedua lah. Okay, the home equity tadi tu. Okay, home equity, apa kata? Home equity loans ni. Alright. Okay. So next one ialah debit or credit card fraud. Okay, yang tadi tu kita dah go through lah semua jenis-jenis apa kata open end credit dan juga close end credit. Close end credit more to the loan lah yang mempunyai jangka apa dia punya tempoh tadi selalunya kalau close end credit tadi dia more than 1 year. Okay, pembayaran dia tadi more than 1 year. Okay. And then selalu melibatkan pinjaman yang amount dia besar lah. Okay, macam saya kata tadi macam beli rumah, beli kereta, itu. Tapi macam kalau katakan open end credit tadi tu close end credit. Kalau open end credit tadi tu more to the pinjaman ataupun kredit yang less than 1 year lah. Okay, yang selalunya macam to the credit card, debit card, charge card, okay. And then kita ada apa lagi, store value or gift card, travel entertainment card. Okay, travel entertainment card lebih kurang macam charge card lah. Okay, charge card. Ini tadi store value or gift card ni tadi is more to the retailer card. Okay. Alright. Now we go to the debit or credit card fraud. Okay. So sini, okay, we have to protect ourselves lah against debit or credit card fraud. Sekarang ni macam-macam. Scammer lah, okay. Ada orang call you or cakap you ada buat transaksi okay, sebanyak berapa, okay. Sekiranya ni dia suruh you tekan nombor ni, nombor tu, dia macam-macam lah scammer ni, okay. So in order we want to protect ourselves, okay, you have to do this lah, okay. mana sign new card as soon as they arrive. Bila you dapat je card, okay, terus sign lah you punya card tadi at the back of the card. Okay, and then treat cards tadi like money. Bila kita kata kita anggap card tadi tu sebagai duit, cash money, okay, we have to put them in a secure place. Kita tak ada letak di mana kata. Sebab kita tahu, takkan you nak letak, kalau you ada RM10,000, takkan you nak letak duit RM10,000 tu mata-kata. So you akan simpan, letak dia kat tempat yang selamat. Sama juga dengan card tu tadi. Okay. And then shred anything with your account number on it. Whatever statement ke apa-apa pun yang melibatkan account number tadi, you have to shred it. Okay. And then don't give your card number over the phone or online unless you initiate the call, and don't write it on postcard. Okay. Get card and receipt after every transaction and check for billing statement error. Kena simpanlah receipt you tu bila you buat pembelian, and then bila statement sampai you boleh compare kan, betul tak pada tarikh berikut saya ada beli barang ni dekat sini, amount dia banyak ni, you kena compare kan, kena tengoklah, check. And then notify the card issuer if you don't get your billing statement or if your card is lost or stolen. Okay, itu yang basic lah, step yang you have to ambil lah. Okay, now we go to the protecting your credit information on the internet. Okay, yang ini paling kita kena jagalah, all those our credit information lah, okay, dekat internet. Okay, so especially bila you buat pembelian secara online, tu you kena jagalah. Okay, first use a secure browser, tu yang penting lah, and then keep record on online transaction. And then review monthly bank and credit card statement, read policy of the website you visit, keep personal information private, and then give payment information only to businesses you know and trust. And then never give your password to anyone online lah. And then do not download files sent to you by stranger ataupun click on hyperlink from people you don't know. Itu yang penting. Okay. Alright. So next kita tengok kepada measuring your credit capacity. Okay, ini yang kita punya objektif yang ketiga, di mana kita kata assessing your credit capacity and build your credit rating. Okay, dekat sini tengok, can you afford a loan? Okay, so this we have to ask lah. Okay, ourselves tadi lah. Okay. Okay. Ask yourself if you can meet all essential expenses and still afford the monthly loan payment. Ni kita measure kita punya credit capacity lah. Kita ni layak ke untuk berhutang? Okay. Kita layak ke untuk, kita mampu ke ambil loan? So bila kita kata kita nak tengok sama ada kita mampu, tengoklah sama ada kita meet tak all essential expenses. And then still afford the monthly loan payment. Ask yourself, what do you plan to give up in order to make the monthly payment tadi tu? Are you prepared to make this trade off? Tu you kena ask lah. Untuk pastikan sama ada you mampu tak untuk buat pinjaman dengan keadaan you punya financial situation pada ketika itu. Okay, and then dengan perbelanjaan yang lain yang you kena tangguh. Okay. Alright. So dekat sini general rules of credit capacity. Okay, how you want to measure? Okay, nak tentukan our credit capacity tadi. Okay, kita pada ratio lah. Okay, debt payments to income ratio. Okay, di mana debt payments to income ratio tadi kita divide kita punya monthly debt payments by our net monthly income. Okay, so dekat sini monthly debt payment tadi bukan termasuk yang macam you punya close end credit tadi tu. Okay, kita just go to the open credit lah. Okay, so dekat sini dia kata do not include your house payment in your monthly debt payment. Sebab Sebab apa? Sebab house payment ni merupakan long term liability. Di mana repayment due dia tadi more than one year. So kita just focus on the short term liability. Di mana the due payment dia tadi is less than 1 year. Okay. So you collect all your monthly debt payment tadi, and then you divide with your monthly income, net monthly income, pendapatan kasar you tadi, pendapatan bulanan kasar lah, pendapatan bulanan bersih, net, So, dekat sini, consumer credit payment tadi should not exceed a maximum of 20% of your net after tax income. So, maknanya tadi, bila you kira this ratio tadi, should be tak boleh melebihi 20% lah. 20% daripada you punya pendapatan you tadi tu, pendapatan bersih you tadi. Alright. So kat sini macam mana kita nak calculate debt payments to income ratio? Bila debt payment tadi kita kata total of you punya debt payment, total monthly you punya debt payment bahagi dengan you punya monthly net income. So sini you akan nampak tadi income you tadi 2136 kat situ nampak tak? Monthly net income. And then debt payment tadi you akan monthly payment untuk all you punya debt tadi. Total dia 426. So kat sini tu 426 you bahagikan dengan 2136. So you akan dapat 19.94 per persen. So sini tengoklah tadi sama sajalah. So meaning that tadi kat sini kita akan nampak you punya debt payment to income ratio ialah 19.94%. So macam kita cakap tadi you punya ni credit payment should not exceed a maximum of 20% of your net income tadi lah. Alright. So tengok sini tadi debt to equity ratio, the next one. How to measure kita punya capacity of the credit tadi. Go to the debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio ialah kita divide kita punya total liabilities. Whatever total liabilities, sama ada short term or long term tadi dengan kita punya net worth. Macam kita nak tengok benda semua net worth macam mana. Net worth tadi ialah kita perolehi daripada kita punya asset tadi, the total asset kita minus dengan kita punya total liability baru kita dapat net worth kita. So sini do not include the value of your home and the amount of its mortgage in total net worth. Maknanya kat sini kita just ambil total liability daripada short term liability sajalah. And then kita bahagikan dengan kita punya net worth. And then this ratio you should get less than 1. It should be less than 1. Kalau more than 1, you punya debt saya rasa is more than you punya net worth lah. Ataupun hutang you tadi melebihi what the value tadi tu. Value you ada. Apa saya kata tadi, net worth you tadi tu. Kalau dia melebihi 1, dia kena less than 1. Alright. Next one, kita pergi pada consigning a loan. A consigning a loan ni is kind of like sama macam kita jadi penjamin lah. Penjamin. So dekat sini, the creditor will give you a notice that tells you that you are being asked to guarantee the debt. So consider if you can afford it if the borrower default. Maknanya you dilantik sebagai penjamin lah kepada borrower tadi. Bila you bersetuju untuk dia penjamin tadi, itulah tadi creditor tadi akan ni lah bagi you notice lah mana you as a penjamin tadi guarantee the debt tadi, mana you will afford to pay the debt sekiranya berlaku borrower default. Maknanya peminjam tadi tak mampu nak bayar, you have to pay lah. So if the borrower does not pay, you may have to pay up to the full amount and also any late or collection fee. Because any loan ni bayalah. You sign the contract atau agreement together with the borrower, and then dalam dia ada dia punya apa term terma dia lah yang perlu you ikutlah yang pertama tadi, macam consider if you can afford to pay if the borrower default. Kalau borrower tak boleh bayar, you have to pay lah. Okay, termasuklah kalau borrower tu lewat bayar ke, okay, so you have to pay also. So if a payment is missed, okay, the creditor can collect the debt from you without first trying to get it from the borrower. Kalau katakan borrower tadi, okay, gagal untuk buat pembayaran, maknanya ada sebulan dia tertinggal bayar. Okay, so the creditor tadi can collect the debt tadi daripada yang whoever consigning a loan tadi tu. Tanpa tadi dia tak payah nak minta dekat borrower pun. So dia terus dia pergi kepada ni lah, whoever yang jadi consigning a loan tadi tu. Okay. Okay. So if you do consign, okay, consider apa? Okay, be sure you can afford to pay the loan. If not, your credit rating could be damaged. Kalau you consign lah. Okay, consider that the liability for this debt may prevent you from getting other credit that you want. Yang ketiga, you pledge property, you could lose property tadi tu. Sekiranya loan tadi goes into default, tak dibayar. Okay, so whatever yang you cakapkan tadi habis lah. Okay, and then check your state law to learn about consignor right. Kita tahu itulah sebelum you menjadi consign tadi. And then request that the copy of overdue payment notice be sent to you. Okay. Okay, how we want to build and maintaining our credit rating. Okay, bila kita banyak do a credit tadi. Okay, sama ada close end credit atau open end credit. Okay, we have to build and maintain our credit rating so that in the future if we want to use ataupun apply, okay, another loan, so it will be easier for us lah. Okay, so a good credit rating is an asset that should be nurtured and protected. Okay, di mana di sini tadi limit your borrowing to your capacity to repay, and then live up to the terms of contract, and then check to see what is in your credit report. And then most creditor rely on credit report in considering loan application. So you have to build your credit, and then selepas tu you have to maintain you punya credit rating. Okay, in order for you to dari segi nak buat pinjaman, diorang akan tengok pada credit rating lah. So that sebab tu untuk memudahkan you memperolehi loan tadi, you kena build credit dululah. And then bila dah build credit, okay, bukan maksud bila build credit tadi tu katakanlah you apply for the credit card. Okay, so you ada credit card, okay, and then you use your credit card secara berhemah lah, sebab you have to maintain you punya credit rating. Okay, alright, so kita tengok pada credit bureau. Okay, dekat sini yang ini adalah apa ni lah, United States punya lah, daripada overseas punya credit bureau. Okay, so macam kita ni tadi di Malaysia ni tadi, okay, okay. Di Malaysia ni, okay, kita ada beberapa lah credit bureau, okay. Di mana salah satunya macam Secris, okay. Kita ada credit bureau Malaysia, okay. Dan kita ada, kalau kat sini Experian dia sama juga, Experian, okay. Di mana credit bureau ni tadi, okay, selalunya dia function dia adalah untuk mengumpul dan menyediakan maklumat kredit lah, untuk membantu institusi kewangan membuat keputusan ke atas pinjaman-pinjaman yang dipohon oleh peminjam. Okey. Dan mereka juga menyediakan laporan kredit kepada individu untuk memantau keadaan kewangan. Okey. And then selain daripada itu macam kalau katakan CCRIS, Central Credit Reference Information System pula. Ianya merupakan sistem penyediaan maklumat kredit yang dijalankan oleh Bank Negara Malaysia. CCRIS tadi. Kat sini CCRIS tadi bertujuan mengumpul dan menyimpan data kredit berkaitan dengan individu dari institusi kewangan yang terlibat. Katakan kalau daripada segi you buat pinjaman kereta ke, you ada credit card ke. So Bank Negara Malaysia ni dia adalah satu sistem iaitu Central Credit Reference Information System lah. Di mana mana-mana institusi kewangan boleh dapatkanlah those information daripada Bank Negara Malaysia lah. From this system tadi. Berkaitan dengan data-data kredit peminjam lah. Dan kita ada juga Credit Bureau of Malaysia, di mana menyediakan laporan kredit yang meliputi sejarah pembayaran pinjaman dan jumlah hutang yang belum dilunaskan. Di sini membantu institusi kewangan menilai creditworthiness pelanggan dan juga mengurangkan risiko kredit lah. Untuk Experian Malaysia pula, Experian Malaysia ni pula merupakan sebuah kredit bureau global yang menyediakan penilaian kredit, laporan kredit dan penyelesaian pengurusan risiko kepada institusi kewangan dan juga perniagaan. Dia juga menyediakan analisis kredit yang mendalam untuk membantu dalam membuat keputusan kewangan yang tepatlah. Alright. And then apa yang ada dalam you punya credit files? Credit files ni ada ni lah bagailah dekat dalam you punya credit file ataupun laporan kredit lah. Di mana laporan kredit tadi merupakan dokumen yang merangkumi maklumat mengenai sejarah kewangan seseorang ataupun syarikat. Termasuklah dalam tu ada sejarah pembayaran pinjaman, jumlah hutang yang belum dilunaskan dan mana-mana aktiviti kredit yang lain lah. Dan ada beberapa pihak lah yang memerlukan credit report ni tadi. Keperluan credit report ni lah. Iaitu macam institusi kewangan. Institusi kewangan memerlukan credit report ni tadi untuk menilai creditworthiness pelanggan dia dan untuk membuat keputusan lah dari segi pinjaman yang dipohon. So dari laporan kredit ni tadi, institusi kewangan tadi boleh menentukan risiko kredit yang berkaitan dengan memberi pinjaman kepada individu ataupun syarikat tertentu. Selain daripada itu, pemberi pinjaman peribadi. Di mana syarikat pinjaman peribadi pula ataupun pinjaman kredit mikro juga memerlukan kredit report lah untuk menilai kelayakan pelanggan-pelanggan mereka dan menentukan syarat pinjaman seperti berapa interest yang dikenakan. How long that the interest, how long the loan tadilah tempoh the loan payment lah. Lain-lain pihak macam mana-mana syarikat yang membiayai kenderaan. Diorang pun perlukanlah kredit report tadi untuk melayak ataupun menilai kelayakan pembeli kereta tadilah untuk mendapatkan pembiayaan kenderaan. Majikan pun memerlukan juga kredit report tadi semasa proses pemilihan pekerja untuk menilai kestabilan kewangan calon pekerja tadi. Selalunya untuk jawatan-jawatan yang melibatkan akses kepada kewangan syarikat ataupun tanggungjawab kewangan yang besar. Mungkin dekat treasury department ke, payroll department ke, itulah. Alright. Dan as a individu juga perlu juga credit report tadi, untuk memantaulah sejarah kredit kita. Sejarah kredit individu sendirilah. Mengesan mana-mana berlakunya kesalahan atau penipuan yang mungkin terdapatlah dekat dalam laporan tersebut. Alright. So this is the fair credit report tadi. Credit report tadi, dia ada akta-akta ni lah. Kalau dekat Malaysia ni akta yang digunakan, okay, kita ada akta seperti Mafia, Consumer Protection Act dan juga Central Bank of Malaysia Act lah. Okay. Iaitu apa orang kata, kalau macam Bank Negara Malaysia tadi merupakan badan pengawas selia kewangan negara, di mana Bank Negara Malaysia tadi memainkan peranan penting lah dalam menetapkan garis panduan dan peraturan yang mengawal institusi kewangan dan industri kewangan secara keseluruhan. Okey, dan terdapatlah beberapa undang-undang dan peraturan yang relevan yang dijalankan oleh Bank Negara Malaysia dan juga agensi-agensi lain di Malaysia untuk memastikan kesamarataan dalam kredit dan perlindungan pengguna. Macam saya cakap tadi, contohnya macam BAFIA ataupun kita kata Banking and Financial Institution Act 1989. Okay, di sini undang-undang tadi mengawal dan mengawasi aktiviti institusi kewangan di Malaysia. Okay. Dan kita ada juga Consumer Protection Act 1999. Kat sini akta ni juga memberikan perlindungan lah kepada pengguna daripada pelbagai sektor. Termasuklah urusan kewangan seperti pinjaman peribadi dan kredit kad. And then kita ada juga Central Bank of Malaysia. Okay. Akta Central Bank of Malaysia 2009. Di mana dalam sini undang-undang ni menetapkan peranan dan kuasa Bank Negara Malaysia dalam mengawal sektor kewangan dan memastikan kesamarataan dan keadilan dalam sistem keuangan negara. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ni tadi saya cakap who may obtain credit report, saya dah bagi tahu lah tadi. Okay. And then, okay, time limits on adverse data ni tadi, yang ini apa ni lah, sekiranya kita ada informasi regarding kita punya credit file tadi, selalunya dia akan reported for only 7 years. Okay. Dan maybe reported for 10 years sekiranya bankruptcy has been declared. Okay. Dan ianya termasuklah sekiranya kita ada cukai kita tak bayar yang have been reported for 15 years. Ini dia punya berapa tempoh informasi dalam credit file kita tu disimpan lah. Okay. Ada yang 10 tahun, ada yang 15 tahun. Okay. Dan bila sampai tempoh tersebut, okay, so the credit reporting agency tadi tu can't disclose the information in your credit file unless you are being investigated for credit application. Okay, itu dia punya time limit lah. Okay, atas data-data atau informasi yang ada dalam dia punya credit file tadi. Okay, alright. So yang ini sekiranya bila berlakunya bila you punya permohonan kredit tadi have been denied. Okay, so what you have to do, you kena tengok lah, okay, what if you are denied credit tadi lah, okay, so what you have to do lah, the step-step tadi. Alright, okay, yang ini, okay, so selalunya, okay, when we apply for the credit tadi, okay, the creditors will look for 5 C's, okay, of credit management, iaitu dari segi karakter, capacity, capital dan condition. Okay. Dalam karakter ni tadi, okay, the creditor selalu tengok dari segi karakter, iaitu adakah the borrower tadi can pay bills on time. Okay. On the part of the capacity, okay, adakah borrower tadi can repay the loan. Okay. And then on the capital tadi pula, selalunya creditors akan minta lah the financial statement lah of the individual ataupun from the organisation ataupun from the firm tadi. Okay, untuk nak tengok tadi what their asset, okay, ataupun the net worth diorang tadi tu. Okay, sesuatu company ataupun individu tadi lah. Okay, and then the next one, the 5C tadi, collateral. Okay, creditors akan mintalah, okay, the borrower to pledge, okay, something, cagaran. Okay, apa yang you nak cagarkan? Okay, that the cagaran tadi tu can be repossessed. Okay, sekiranya tadi the borrower default on the loan. And then the last one, 5C tadi, okay, kita kepada economic condition lah, yang mana boleh affect your ability to repay the loan. Mungkin tengok pada ekonomi Malaysia, mungkin kalau kata kita tengok pada waktu COVID hari tu, okay, ramai orang tak ada kerja. So it will affect you punya ability lah untuk bayar balik pinjaman tadi. Okay. Alright, so this is all the sample credit application question lah that will be asked to the applicant lah. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is what the credit score lah. Okay, and we tengok lah. Okay. Dan ni tadi akta-akta tadi. Okay. Macam ni Fair Credit Billing Act ni more to the ni lah. Overseas punya saya dah bagi tahu yang tadi akta-akta yang ni lah daripada dekat Malaysia ni tadi lah apa yang ada lah akta-akta yang terlibat lah. Okay. Okay. Alright. And then in case of sekiranya berlaku billing error, okay, so what you have to do, okay, you have to call your creditor, and then sekiranya berlaku dispute, okay, you have to notify the creditor of error in writing within 60 days. Okay, and then include your explanation of the error and your account number to the bill inquiries address. And then they should respond to your inquiries within 30 days. And then credit card company has 2 billing period lah, but no longer than 90 days to correct your account or tell you why they think the bill is correct. And then dekat sini your credit rating is not affected. Why item is in dispute. Dalam tempoh untuk nak tengok betul ke tidak kesalahan tadi, okay. So your punya credit rating tadi is not affected lah selagi belum lagi disahkan, ditentukan lah what happened sebenarnya lah. Okay. Okay, your credit during the dispute tadi, okay, a creditor may not threaten your credit rating while you are resolving a billing dispute. Okay, sekiranya berlaku kesilapan ke ataupun something yang aneh dalam you punya billing tadi, maknanya creditor tadi cannot do anything on your credit rating lah. Okay. So once you have written about a possible error, a creditor is prohibited from giving out information that would damage your credit reputation to other creditors or credit bureau. Okay. So until your complaint has been answered, the creditor may not take any action to collect the dispute amount. After explaining the bill, so the creditor may report you as delinquent on the dispute amount and take action. Okay. Alright, so ni adalah contoh lah, okay, letter of dispute, and then okay, sekiranya you punya identity is stolen, kadang-kadang ada je orang ambil curi identity kita. Okay, what you have to do, okay, you have to contact the fraud department of each of the 3 major credit bureau, macam saya cakap tadi, Bank Malaysia, okay, and then kita ada consumer protection tadi tu, okay. Tell them to flag your file with a fraud alert, and then include a statement that creditor should call you for permission before opening any new accounts in your name. And then you have to contact the creditor for any account that have been tampered with or opened fraudulently lah. And then file a police report and keep a copy in case your creditors need proof of the crime. Kadang tiba-tiba orang guna kita punya identity, okay, apply for the credit card. Kita tahu kita dapat bill suruh bayar, padahal kita tak guna pun kad tersebut. Okay. And then you have to kill or shred personal information before placing interest. Okay. Close bank account immediately. Okay. And then cancel check and ATM card. And then contact lah whoever the parties yang tertentu lah. Okay. Alright. And then kat sini complaining about consumer credit, okay, describe the law that protect you if you have a complaint about consumer credit. Okay, kita ada yang tadi yang saya cakap pada awal tadi lah, okay, iaitu kita ada credit reporting agency lah, okay, yang mana ataupun kita kata Credit Bureau of Malaysia, okay, kita boleh laporkan lah, okay, dekat Credit Bureau of Malaysia lah. Okay, sekiranya kita ada any complaint about credit. Alright. Okay, so ni akta-akta tadi saya dah bagi tahu lah, akta-akta yang terlibat lah. Okay, sebab yang ini more to the akta di luar negara yang ini. Okay. Okay, so mungkin ada a certain akta yang diguna pakai di Malaysia lah. Okay, tapi just nak as a knowledge, okay, they have a certain acts yang akan protect okay, we as a consumer tadi. Okay, alright. So selesai apa ni berkenaan dengan chapter 4. Okay. Okay. So ada apa-apa persoalan berkenaan dengan